Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over another Leetcode question, Fizz Buzz. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, etc. are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Write a program that outputs the string representation of numbers from 1 to n. But for multiples of 3 it should output Fizz instead of the number, and for the multiples of 5 output Buzz. So multiples of 3 is Fizz and multiples of 5 output Buzz. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5 output Fizz Buzz. Example, given numbers 15, 1, 2, 3 is multiples of 3, so we print Fizz here. If it's 4, 5 is multiple of 5, that's Buzz. 6 is multiple of 3, then it's Fizz. Then 7, 8, 9 is multiple of 3, then Fizz. 10 is multiple of 5, Buzz. 11, 12 is 3, Fizz. And 15, both 3 and 5, Fizz Buzz. So let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this question. Excuse me. So the algorithm is quite simple. To find out if a number is divisible by 3 or 5, we use modulo operator. If I modulo 3 is 0, then that means this is divisible. If it's I modulo 3 and I modulo 5 is 0, both of them, if this is the case, then we create a list in the beginning. That is the list we are going to return in the answer, because answer is expecting a list of string. And we start using a for loop going from 1 until n. That's what the question is saying. All the numbers are from 1 to n. So I modulo 3 or I modulo 5, if both of them are okay, satisfied, then we add Fizz Buzz to the list. Okay, this number is divisible by 3 and 5, like numbers like 15. Okay, then in that case we add Fizz Buzz to the list. Else if that's not the case, I is divisible by 3, then we add Fizz to the answer, to the list. Okay, so I divisible by 3 is I modulo 3 is equal to 0, means I is divisible by 3. And we add Fizz to the answer list. Else if I is divisible by 5, if that's the case, we add Buzz. Right? So 3 is Fizz, 5 is Buzz, 3 and 5 Fizz Buzz. If none of them is the case, then we simply add the value of the n to the list of strings as string that value of I. That will give the string value of the I integer here, and we add that to the list. And when the for loop is done, we simply return the list, and that will be the answer. So all you need to know is really this modulo. All you need to pay attention is the numbers that are divisible by both 3 and 5, and that is the case here. That's the first case. You check, then 3, then check 5. If none of them is, because we need to add every number in the list. If none of them is the case, then we simply add string value of I to the list and return the list. Oops. Let's see this in the code. Excuse me. So this is how it looks in the code. So we create our list, we return our list here. Then we fill this list inside the for loop, right? 3 and 5, Fizz Buzz. 3, Fizz, 5, Buzz. List that, add string that value of I, then return list, submit. So this is a very typical interview question. That's kind of basics, but You get to see this quite often. So I hope it was helpful, and I have more videos coming up. So if you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. If you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.